In this guide, you'll learn how to get API key from Google AI Studio. First, launch your preferred browser. Now type in studio.google.com and press enter. Once you're on the Google AI Studio website, look for the Get API Key button at the bottom left-hand side of the page and click on it. In this window, you will see any current API keys that have been generated. To create a new key, click on the Create button in the top right corner. You will prompt it to give your key a name. It really does not matter what you name it. Now click on this drop-down and select the project for which you want to create the API key. I'm going to select my guide project. Now click on Create Key. After a few seconds, your API key will be created and you will see all the project's details. To view a key, simply click on it. Clicking on this icon, you can copy it. Likewise, click on three dots, you are able to rename it or delete it. Double click on it and you're gonna view all the details of it. And that's it. This way you can easily get API key from Google AI Studio. This guide helped you out. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.